Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how can we use virtual lab for various experiments for various activities. Okay, so it is not just for experiment. You can use other things if you are very used to and you become very familiar. So you can use for other purposes also. I will tell you later. So today what you have to do is first of all what you have to do. First of all you have to register on that website. So what you need to do, Tinkercad. Okay, you need to search this website Tinkercad. You can see here it is written Tinkercad create 3D digital design with uh, online CAD computer aided design. So what you need to do is just click on that. Now I have clicked on this. So since I am already logged in, so you can uh, see that I am already able to log in this. But what you have to do, you will not be able to log in. What will you need to do? You will need to do a registration first of all. Okay, I'll show you how. So first of all you need to open this website. There is a right side at the top, join now. Okay, here there are many options. I am using create a personal account. Okay, now there are two options, sign in with the Google, sign in with the Apple. So I will use the Google ID. Okay, now you need to put your email ID. So let me be very clear. In many times, in many regions, I have seen that it is allowing the school ID, but in many cases, it is not allowing the school ID because since it is organization given ID, so it is not allowed. So you can use any other Gmail ID. So you need not to worry. So I am using one of my email ID. Okay, now you can see I'm able to log in. So you need to land on this page. You need to come on this. मतलब आपको इस पेज पे आना ही है. Then only you can perform various activities. Okay. So now the question is, can you register in mobile? Yes, you can register. You can use laptop. जिनके पास लैपटॉप नहीं है, there is no problem. लैपटॉप नहीं है तो हम जो भी एक्टिविटी करेंगे वो आप फिजिकली उसको आपके घर में अवेलेबल होगा. इफ अदरवाइज if there is nearby market, these are small components you can purchase from the market, you can use. If you don't get, let me know, inform me, I will tell you where you can find these components and you can use in your activities. So be very clear that if you don't have laptop or something, you cannot do this. Is not the case. However, if you are using any old phone, then you might face some difficulty because you need to click many times, so sometimes it doesn't support. So you need not worry. You can get all these components physically. You can perform physically, there is no problem. You need not perform in virtual lab. Lab is for the for for your facility, so that you can do all the experiments virtually. There is no need of physical components. So if you are not having proper devices, you can use it physically. Okay, so there is no need to worry. So what you have to do, Then you can see in left side there are various options: 3D designs, circuits, code blocks, lesson. So I will tell you mainly this circuit thing. So I will tell you how you can use these circuits. So just you need to click on this circuit, create new circuit. I will tell you step by step. This is just a registration process so that you can register easily. Okay, so that we can learn few new things. You will feel it very interesting. So many activities you can perform, so many flexibility has been given in this virtual lab. There are many virtual labs, but this I found very useful and easy to use. Others which are available, they are problematic. Sometimes they need coding, this, that. So this is problematic, but for basics at school level, I found this very useful. So we will start. So I hope you have understood the process of registration. Please register, and once you register, it will be always login, I think. But if it is log out, then again you can log in using your Gmail ID. So thank you. Please register. Then we will continue in next class. And if you want to see that how this is going to be used, I will share another link, or you can visit that channel. So many already I have so many activities already has been done in my previous school. So you can see if you will find it interesting. So we will continue next time. So please register. Thank you.